When someone asks me, Eazie, what's the best advice you ever got? I mean, it's so much advice, so much that I've learned, so much that I've experienced in this body. I felt like I lived to almost 80 already, but some good advice that I can give to you today is be the CEO of your life. And what do I mean by that? You know, when a business goes down the drain, right? All the employees in there, right? The jobs are lost, but who takes the fault? The CEO. When a business flourishes, who shines? And where does the whole business flow? Goes up, right? But the CEO. So if your life doesn't turn out the way you want it to be, it's your fault. If your life turns out exactly how you want it to be, with all the love and abundance, and you living where you want to live, and you got the perfect marriage and whatever it is that you want to see for yourself, to me, there's nothing perfect, but there's always something worth it. If it turns out like that, it's your fault. So be the CEO of your own life and understand that everything is your fault. And when you're able to take that on to yourself, like, this is my fault why I'm in this situation. This is my fault why this looks so good. This is my fault why, whatever. Be the CEO of your life.